Now this is apparently supposed to be the one that you don't have to worry about. It's totally autonomous. $4K. There we go. Go on then. Do it all by yourself. And this will avoid all obstacles, even through scraggle trees and everything. Right, let's see how she does. New little friend. Do I dare look back? Or do I have confidence in this new bit of tech? It's still with us. You're still with us, guys. I'm glad you're still with us to watch me ride through the dunes from a brand new angle, coming at ya from the Dubai desert. So this isn't a review video or anything like that. This is me wanting this kind of piece of hardware to increase the quality and entertainment factor of my vlogs, so I can document my experiences out here doing what I enjoy, and I wanted to see how it performs in a desert riding or desert enduro kind of environment. Because no one else really does this. I've seen some guys doing it with adventure bikes. It's not quite like this though. Roosted. Do I dare look back? Or do I have confidence in this new bit of tech? It's still with us. You're still with us, guys. I'm glad you're still with us to watch me ride through the dunes from a brand new angle, coming at ya from the Dubai desert on this beautiful early morning. Golden sun, crispy little haze from the flow-line fog. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I'm just totally trusting it. If it gets lost, it gets lost. GPS beacon is in my back, so yeah, I'm sure it'll relocate. The only thing I need to worry about now is forgetting you guys and leaving you behind. The battery will last about 24 minutes, but I think that's going to be quite easy to soon forget about the time. Oh, I can't wait to look at this footage. You guys are the first to see it. haven't looked back yet. Sean has, and he doesn't seem worried, so I'm assuming it's still with us. Oh yeah. I just checked. It's freaking weird, man. Not having to worry about that and knowing you're getting some decent video clips. I can let it just follow us for ages. Oh, this is amazing. I really can't believe it. You guys are still following. Oh, keep up. You're holding us up, man. Oh, it's like my new little friend. Following me everywhere I go. So if you are enjoying this footage, and you do want to know what device this is that I'm using, if I get enough interest on this video, I'll make another one revealing what it is and reviewing it. And I know some of you are going to go straight to the comments and people will guess. You're not entirely going to know. So if I get enough activity on this video, I will release one that talks all about what I'm using. Well, I'm not going to speak too soon, but I think it's passed the test. It's past my expectations. I think this could be a bit of a durability test as well, and reliability, to know that I can confidently trust that it's still going to be there. I think that passed the test. Well done, guys. Well done for keeping up. I can't wait to see that footage. You guys are going to be seeing it before me. Close enough. And so now, what we're going to do is the other device. Huh? What? Are you throwing in a KTM plug? Right. FPV time. I've been learning for 2 years. You guys don't know this. I haven't released any content on it, but I've been learning for 2 years. All for this, so I could take it out on adventure rides, desert rides, enduro, again to get dope shots. So let's set it up. Hope you enjoy. This one, the helmet's gonna have to come off. I wasn't gonna do this video. I was just gonna surprise you with footage. I was gonna surprise you with footage in the vlogs. And let you guess how I got it. So who knows, I might release this before. Depends on when you're watching this. I might have already released quite a number of videos already and got you guessing. Let's see. epic! All goes in my backpack as well. Need to be a bit smoother on the sticks. A bit more cinematic, as the word is. That is a successful flight as I come in for my landing. You can see it, right?
I was following the drone.
The whole time. And then I was like, no, I need to catch both of you. So I went up and let you come underneath. Then I came back down, followed you for a bit. You went over a dune and then opened the throttle. I was like, oh shit, roosted. The drone just went think and then carried on going. I think that's successful. Nice small kit that I can travel on my bike with me and take this around. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up, but the shots is definitely worth it. That's the drone shots done and tested and passed. Super happy. And now enjoy the rest of the ride. If I can get my bike started. It's got to be in neutral. Here we go. And that didn't take too much of extra time away because I want this to be quick, good, the best shots ever, to show you guys, you know, what it's like from as many different perspectives so you can really enjoy it. And but so I don't ruin people's ride by taking so long, because not everyone, you know, appreciates and understands stopping and starting, filming. You know, they just want to ride. Fair enough. I would do too. But I've got a role now to document all of this. Well, that's the first time that's ever happened. Wow. That really happened. See, one of the multiple dangers out here in the desert. And I always watch out for that. Well, not always, as much as I can when there's a crossing. And more often than not, no one is coming. The coast is clear. But there's always that one time, like just what happened there. That's why I think having a flag on your off-road vehicle obviously helps. Not everyone bothers. I don't think he had one, I'm not sure. Right, from me and the camels, to you, I'm going to call it there. That's the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like. Helps the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload next. I love you long time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Right, as soon as I get up, I'm just going to up and then away from you, alright? So I'll go right in front of you, and then you guys just head off. You ready? Fingers? Yep. Right, I'm ready when you are.